Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This side Devapriya and you're watching Dev Style Giri. In this video I'm gonna be sharing classic bold smoky eyes. That's my absolutely favorite and I hope you will love it as well. At first I'm taking liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty. This is a very good concealer and I'm taking a flat brush and I'm applying the concealer around my eyebrows area to make it sharp. And after that I am blending all over the eyelids. Then I have taken a flat brush. This is a bigger version of the first brush and I am blending it properly. In this way I am making a full coverage. After that I am using a damp beauty blender so that everything gets seamlessly blended. After that, to control the creasing, I am taking a compact powder and I am just applying the compact powder with the help of a fluffy blending brush. You don't have to take a lot of powder, just a little bit amount is way more perfect. Now I have taken Faces Kannada Magnet Eyes Kajal. This is very good quality kajal. This resembles the plum one that is for more than 450 rupees I guess. But this is only for approx 150 rupees. I am just applying it as eyeliner and making it thicker stroke by stroke. Just keep it in mind, you can't cross the crease area. After that I am applying the kajal over the lower waterline as well. You don't have to be like super clean because we are gonna smudge it right away. Now I have taken a shimmer black shade. Now I love smoky eyes with little bit glittery, little bit shimmery, but if you like matte smoky eyes, then you only take the matte black shade or matte black eyeshadow. Now I am just patting the black color and smudging it with the kajal so that no harsh line remains. Now I am going little bit nearer to the crease area while smudging it around the outer V. And yeah, I am done. After that, we are gonna concentrate on the crease area. I have taken a brown shade. This is a kind of brick brown shade and I am just smudging it and blending it around the crease area while concentrating on outer V to inner V. In this way, you can get a seamlessly blended smoky eye base look. Now I am taking a golden black shimmer shade and smudging it with the kajal in lower waterline so that the lower waterline has a shimmery effect as well. And after that, I have taken the brown shade once again and smudging it over the lower waterline. Now I am taking Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter and I am highlighting around the brow bone area. It's very important step. Do not skip the steps. In this video I am just sharing all the important basic steps, so do not skip one step. Well, highlighting the inner corner makes your eye deeper and well balanced and attractive as well. So it's also a very important step. Do not skip the step. Now the next step is eyeliner. Here I am taking Wet n Wild Sketch Eyeliner. This is a very good eyeliner to make wing liner in just 2 seconds. So yeah, I am done with eyeliner. After that, I was just feeling to make the outer V little bit bold. So I am just patting little bit black color over here. And after that, it's the time to apply the falsies. Tan-ta-da! I am done with the falsies. After that, I am just curling so that my eyelashes and the false eyelashes looks put together and applying the mascara. So yeah, here you go, a classic, bold, beautiful, sexy looking smoky eyes which is absolutely gorgeous. This type of smoky eyes can be created in night party or any bridal look, reception look, and of course under 5 minutes. I think I have elaborated all the steps. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment box. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in Instagram. My Instagram links will be in the description box. You can follow me. If you guys like the video, then give a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel to show your love. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.